Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic interior decor is a cozy, nostalgic design style that combines the charm of vintage elements with the raw, natural textures of rustic design. It celebrates simplicity, warmth, and authenticity, creating a lived-in, soulful atmosphere that feels both old-fashioned and down-to-earth. Core features of vintage rustic interior decor use natural materials like oak, reclaimed wood, and distressed wood is a signature. Think exposed beams, farmhouse tables, or antique cabinets. Stone and brick, unpolished stone or brick walls, and rustic earthiness. Wicker and linen used in baskets, curtains, or cushions for natural texture. Aged and diamond pieces, vintage decor favors furniture with history to be painted, tarnished metals, or owned leather are welcome. Items like old trunks, animal or retro radios offer storytelling through design. This muted earthy color palette, common colors, creams, soft whites, beige, faded pastel, rose green, warm browns, and dusty rose. These tones reflect age and nature, keeping the space soft and relaxing. Antique finds and flower market treasures repurpose vintage goods like messengers, old typewriters, barn doors, vintage mirrors, and other picture frames add nostalgic charm. Handmade or heirloom objects often take center stage. Rustic lighting, think iron candelabras, messenger pendant lights, lantern-style lamps, or candlestick or sconces. The soft ambient lighting enhances the cozy vintage mood. Handcrafted and imperfect embraces craftsmanship and imperfection, such as hand-drawn pottery, hand-stitched linens, or salvaged oak shelves. How it feels emotionally. Vintage rustic interiors evoke a sense of comfort and safety, like stepping into a beloved grandparents' cottage. Timelessness, objects and textures from different eras blend harmoniously. Simplicity, a solo living lifestyle rooted in nature and memory. Common setting, cottages, farmhouses, barn convert homes, vintage-style country kitchens, rustic bedrooms with antique touches. Let's go deeper into the heart and soul of vintage rustic interior decor, its origin, design philosophy, emotional tone, styling principles, and how it creates a beautifully layered home that feels both nostalgic and natural. How does vintage rustic interior decor? In more depth, vintage rustic decor is fusion of two styles. Rustic style emphasizes raw, rugged, earthy beauty, natural materials, handmade pieces, and simplicity. Vintage style brings in the charm of the past antiques, heirlooms, flower market treasures, and sign of age or use. When combined, they create a warm, soulful, and emotionally rich interior that feels grounded in tradition and history. Origins and influence. This style is inspired by old countryside homes, especially European or American farmhouses, colonial and cottage aesthetics, a love for handcrafted, timber, and stored objects. It often reflects a desire to escape fast-paced modern life, embracing a slower, more meaningful connection to the home and nature. Design philosophy. Imperfection is beauty. Scratches on old faded fabrics tipped paint. These flaws tell a story. They are not ruined. They are loved and lived in. Less is more. Unlike clutter-heavy styles, vintage rustic embraces thoughtful simplicity, only displaying items that are useful, beautiful, or emotionally significant. Storytelling through objects. Every room, a rusty lantern to a stack of old books, holds memory and mood. The goal is to evoke a sense of home with a soul. Signature styling elements, materials, reclaimed wood for furniture, shelves or accent walls, natural tones and terracotta adds warmth and organic texture. Cotton, wool, and linen, soft, breathable, often handmade or naturally dyed. Furniture, antique armoires, distressed dressers, farm tables, and rocking chairs. Look for carved legs, on handles, and patinas that reveal age. Accessories, vintage clocks, galvanized buckets, embroidered textiles, lace runner. Objects often carry a soft, romantic, or rustic rural feel. Lighting. Soft golden light is key. Think iron or wooden candelabras, vintage oil lamps, old iron candle holders, messenger sconces. Wall decor, botanical prints, vintage portraits, farmhouse sign, oven baskets, old wooden window frames or shutters used decoratively are popular too. Emotional atmosphere. A vintage rustic home is warm and welcoming, rooted in heritage and emotion, calm, serene, and grounded, seasonal in feeling, like you can smell wood smoke in fall or wildflowers in spring. Seasonal styling in vintage rustic decor, spring, wildflower arrangements, linen curtains, garden tools on display, summer, light coils, open windows, pastel ceramics. At home, oven shows, dried leaves, candle lanterns, winter, old blankets, pine cones, rustic plates, fireplace focus. Tips for creating it at home. Visit local flower markets, antique shops, and thrift stores to find one-of-a-kind treasures. Mix old and new. Pair a rustic wood bench with modern light linen cushions. Use neutral paint color as a base like chalk, white or clay base. Layer texture, wood, metal, glass, and soft fabrics. Keep the decor intentional, not crowded, but character-rich. The soul of vintage rustic decor, a poetic view. Vintage rustic decor is a gentle fusion of memory and nature. It invites you to walk into a room and feel as through time slow down. The chipped paint on the table is not wear, it is whispers history. The crack of the old floorboards is not brokenness, it is life lived. This style creates a home that felt tenderly human, earthy, and emotionally rooted. Multisensory experience, visual mood, dimmed light, warm tones, soft edged, faded colors that seem touched by sunlight or softened by ears. Objects that speak, and enamel teapot and embroidered napkin, tinted milk jugs. Scents, natural and nostalgic, dried lavender, oud smoke, beeswax candles, linen fresh from the line. Sound, the subtle click of vintage crockery, the rustic of lace curtains in the breeze. The quiet ticking of an old wall clock or the chirping of birds outside the window. Cut. Rough textures, oud, rain, burlap, and iron, soft linens, crochet towels, or ladder, hand coiled throws. Symbolism behind key elements, distress ode, resolutions through time, beauty and aching. Winter stools or kitchenware, a nod to manual work, tradition and self-reliance. Floral fabrics and lace, femininity, nurturing the domestic artistry of past generations. Antique portraits or letters, memory, ancestry, invisible roots in your home. Deep styling layers, the base layer, structure and color, natural floors, oud, stone and brick, walls whitewashed, plain plastered or softly painted in chalky hues, neutral base allows window spaces to shine. The height layer, furniture and larger objects, reclaimed farmhouse tables, mismatched window chairs, iron bed frames or distressed wardrobes. Everything is functionally beautiful, used daily and infused with time. The sole layer, checker details and personal touches, old books tied with twine, a shelf of mismatched teacups, a small oil painting or family photo in a brass frame, a hand-sewn curtain or a crocheted blanket. This brings warmth and tells the story of the home's heart. Why people love it? Emotional connection. People are drawn to vintage rustic decor because it feels safe and secure. It does not pretend, it simply is. Makes a home feel lived in, not status. Bring a sense of belonging and memory. Even if you just bought the house, it feels like it has been waiting for you. Reflect sustainability and slowness, repairing, reusing, and cherishing. Real life inspiration. Imagine this. A kitchen hot copper pots hang above a Batka block island, and a linen apron hangs on a peg by the back door. A living room with an old burning stove, past armchairs and books stuck beside a basket of knitting. A bedroom with lace curtain, a old patchwork quilt, and a teeny vase of wildflowers by the window. The essence of vintage rustic, more than a style, a feeling. Vintage rustic interior decor is not just about having old things or following trends. It is about creating a home that feels loved, rooted, and alive with quiet stories. It blends the soul of nostalgia vintage with the grounding of natural rustic to form a space where beauty is imperfect, time is visible, and calmness is deep. Emotional and philosophical core, solemnness and presence. Every item feels chosen with care. There is a space for stillness, reading by a window, sipping tea from a tipped cup, praised flowers between book pages. Simplicity without emptiness. It is not minimalist, but it is not cluttered either. Everything you see matter, a dried lavender bundle, an iron candle holder, a hand-carved bench. Heartfelt imperfection, scratches, rust, fading. This sign of our show, life, memory, and resilience. The beauty is in the becoming, not the perfect finish. Storytelling through objects, a vintage rustic home is like a living diary. Each object whispers its own quiet tale. A own wooden chair. I have seated generations. A rusted key on a hook. I once opened a door to someone's dreams. A linen tablecloth with embroidery, hands made me, and love and patience. This emotional layering is thought makes the style truly alive. Key zones of the home, how they feel. Living room, welcoming, warm, layered with throws, books, old photo frames, a mix of pictures, old linen lace, neutral tones with gentle accents like shades, dusty blue, mustard. Kitchen, open shelves with vintage crockery and enamelware, copper pans, wooden spoons, glass jars, a central farmhouse table for gathering. Bedroom, iron or wooden bed frame, hand-coiled bedding, antique nightstands with candles or old books, lace curtains, floral or patchwork textiles, also uses. Entryway or hall, hooks for coats and straw hats, wooden pens or vintage storage box, mirror with patina, and a rustic rug. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.